Uh, Assalamu alaikum. So if you have watched all the videos for the parents and piecewise functions, so this is a quiz for you. In this quiz, there are different questions, and if you have watched all the videos and you have learned each and everything regarding the piecewise functions, so now this is a quiz for you. You can just see the question, do it yourself. I will solve it. You will check it later after solving it. Okay. So first question is graph the following functions including at least three significant points and clearly show end behavior. So this is a function and we need to graph it. So do it on your own and then check the results later. Okay. So let's draw the graph. This function is named as y, and let's take the value of x at -1. -1 plus 3 would be 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. -2. -2 plus 3 is 1. 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 2 is -1. -4. -4 plus 3 is -1. Cube is -1. Minus 2 -3. So -1 it's going to be +6. For -2 it's going to be -1. For -4 it's going to be -3. So it's going to come like this. And we already know that this is a cube, so it's a cubic function. This is a modulus function. G of x is equal to mod of 2x plus 8 minus 3. So we can write it as 2x plus 4 mod minus 3. So it is at 4 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 4 1 2 3, and it is 2 up and 1 down because here it is 2 2 by 1, so 2 by 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1. See, h of x is a function, and this function is a piecewise function. -2x plus 1 for x is less than -2. So this is -2, and we need to go for x is less than -2, and the function is -2x plus 1. So it's going to be an absolute value function, which is so according to the vertex it is -1 0. So the graph should start from -1 0 here, but this is not included because the graph is x is less than -2. So we will take the values less than -2. Values would be, this is -2, so if we take the value -2, we'll get -2 -2 plus 1 -1 -3 -1 plus 2. Mod will make it positive and -2. So the first point would be -2, but this is on x is equal to 2, so this is not included. So the next point would be x is -3, -2, -2 will become +2, so -4. This will be the point. So for next would be -5, -2 -4, -2 plus 4 -8. And this point is not included. Okay, so x is equal to -2, it is -3. This is the point. And the last one is minus 2x plus 4 for x is greater than minus 2. So let's find the values. So minus 2, it would be 0. And this point is not included. At 0, it's going to be 4. At 2, it's going to be 0. This is the graph. Okay. Write the function for the following graphs. Now the graphs are given and we need to write the function. So very easy. First of all, let's see that this is an absolute value function. In the point, this is minus 3 and plus 7. And this is in opposite direction. So f of x is equal to negative of x plus 3 plus 7. So which function is this? This is a square root function and it is starting from 5 and minus 8. So square root function can be written as, what is a square root function? F of x is equal to a x minus h plus k. So it can be a square root of x minus 5 minus k minus 8. So we need to find a. So we will take any one point. Let's take 6, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. This point is 0, 9. No, not this point. This point. 6. 6 and minus 4. 1. So f of x is equal to 4 x minus 5 minus 8. Okay. Use the graph of f of x to answer the following questions. State the domain. So the domain is the x values. So let's say what is the domain. This is minus 8 to minus 4. And you can see this is colored, so this is included. This is whole, so this is not included. Then it is starting from here minus 4. This is again whole, so this is not included, and going till 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 is included at this is colored. So the domain is minus 8, say minus 4 union minus 4 is to 9. Okay, state the range are the y values. This is minus 9 and up it is going to plus 6. Minus 9 which is not included, in plus 6 which is included. Maximum, the maximum is coming at 6. F of 5. F of 5 means f of x is equal to 5. So x is 5 at, it is mod, so positive value we're going to take. X, we're going to check x. This is negative 3 but it's mod, so we will get positive 3. F8. Okay, F8 means f. Now F8 means f of x is 8, means you are going to look x times 8. 6, 7, 8. The value at 8 is 6. Now f of 6. What is f of 6? 0. Is it 0? No, 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 it's not 0. This is f of 6 and it is a 2. Where is f of x decreasing? Decreasing. So I'm going to color the points where it is. This is decreasing, coming down. So it is -8 close interval to -6 close interval. This is going up, 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 and here it is decreasing. This is decreasing from 8 to 9 close interval. So decreasing -8 to -6 close interval, union 8 to 9 close interval. Find the equation of f of x below. Now finally we're going to find the equation of the f of x. Okay, so we know that there are 3 graphs over here. This one is an absolute function graph, and for absolute value graph the rule is f of x is equal to a x minus h plus k. This is -6 plus 4, so it would be y is equal to a x plus 6 plus 4, and we're going to find a, so we will take this point, -6 -7 -8, -8 and 5. So it would be y is 5 is equal to a, x is -6, I can't take -6, no, this is point is -8 5, 6 -7 -8 5, yes, -8 plus 6 plus 4. 5 minus 4 would be 1 is equal to a minus 2. And it would be mod, so it would be positive, so a would be 1 by 2. So the modulus function for the first one would be 1 by 2 mod of x plus 6 plus 4 for -8 less than equal to x less than equal to -4. The next function is cubic function, and the cubic function is this one. For cubic function the vertex is this one, that is 4 and -5. So we can write cubic function as f of x is equal to a cube of x minus 4 minus 5. Now we need to find a, so we will take this point. This is 5 and 1 2 minus 3, 5 and -3, so we will take -3 is equal to a cube root of 5 minus 4 minus 5. So what we'll get is 2 cube root of x minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 less than x less than 5. The last one is quadratic function. So the quadratic function, the formula would be, this would be 6 7 8 9 7 8 and -6, so it would be +8 and -6. So y is equal to a x minus h ka whole square plus k. Let's take this point. This point is 6 7 8 9 and 5. No, why it's -6. 9 and 5, so it would be 5 is equal to a. Evaluate the following function for the given values of x g5. So x is greater than 3 में हम 5 पुट कर सकते हैं. We can't put x less than 3 में तो 5 पुट कर नहीं सकते. x greater than 3 में पुट कर सकते हैं. So it's going to be very easy. 5 minus 3 का क्यूब minus 5. 5 minus 3 2 है. 2 का क्यूब 8 है. 8 minus 5 3. ठीक है. g of 3 x लेस दैन 3 है तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं पुट कर सकते. अगेन यहाँ पे x लेस दैन 3 है, यहाँ x ग्रेटर दैन 3 है, तो g of 3 कहाँ पुट करेंगे? इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन दिस फंक्शन. Solve for the following equations of x. So it's going to be very easy because we're just going to do it. X minus 6 is equal to 2 by minus 4. X minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it's x minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2 with positive. Minus x minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 6. Instead of solving it like this, negative modulus does not exist. And for here, we won't proceed. Okay. 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 4. 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 times 5 by minus 3. So we get 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 5. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. 3x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. Given the graph of y is equal to f of x below, sketch the graph of y is equal to f mod of f of x on the grid. तो हमें पता है कि बहुत ही आसान होता है because the first point is 1 2 3 minus 3 और plus 2 पे है. ये पॉइंट किसके ऊपर है? 0 पे और नेगेटिव 4 पे. ये पॉइंट है +1 पे -2 पे. तो हम इसको प्लॉट जब करेंगे तो -3 2 पे जो पॉइंट है वो ऐसे ही रहेगा. 0 -4 वाला 0 + 4 हो जाएगा और यहाँ तक तो ये आएगा ना, यहाँ तक. 1 - 2 1 1 + 2 हो जाएगा. 1 + 2 ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये ख़त्म हो गया और ये वाला पोर्शन एज इट इज़ रहेगा. यहाँ पे ये 0 वाला कंबाइन होके ऐसे और ऐसे और ऐसे जैसे भी है. f of x is equal to this, find the equation of f inverse x. तो आपको पता है कि जब हमने f inverse x फाइंड करना होता है तो we will just see कि x less than equal to -5 है. x less than equal to -5 है क्या मतलब है? कि अगर ये -5 है तो हमने ये वाली साइड लेनी है. तो ये वाली साइड which side is this positive side. So we are going to go with the positive one. So going with the positive one is very easy. Y is equal to 1 by 3 x plus 5. No, it's going to be x less than equal to -5, so this side. So it would be negative. y 1 by 3 x plus 5 minus 4. Let's change the consider the function g of x and f of x below. List the transformations in the correct order that would map the graph f of x onto the graph g of x. So this is the function, this is the question for the transformation. Okay, so what is the function f of x? So there is, this stands for vertical expansion by 2, left by 7, and up by 13. Mr. Lee is taking his advisory group to the fun time bowling alley for Eagle Day. It costs $10 to rent shoes, $2 for $10 to rent shoes, $2 for each 15 minutes played. Create a function that models a coast following where x represents time from 0 to 45. So c of x would be equal to 12 for 0 to 15 minutes. Because $10 to rent shoes and 2 for 15 minutes, to 2 plus 10 would be 12. 14 from 15 to 30 minutes, and 16 from 30 to 45 minutes. Determine the values of a and b so that it is a continuous for all of x. So for making it continuous, x is greater than 1, less than 2, x is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 2. So here it is x is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, we can have 1 minus 4x 4a plus b. And for x is equal to 2, we have 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8a plus b. So x is between 1 and 2. If we will take 1, 1 plus 2 would be equal to 3. And if we will take 2, 2 plus 2 would be equal to 4. So we are done with this quiz. Hopefully you enjoyed it. अच्छा आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, first of all you have to see all the videos of parents and piecewise functions. After checking all the videos you're going to come to the test. You will do each and every question yourself और फिर आप लोग चेक करोगे कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट है या आपका मेथड करेक्ट है कि नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा चैनल को. मस्ट सब्सक्राइब एंड मस्ट फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल ऑफ द कैलकुलस पीपल. थैंक यू सो much. Bye. Okay, so here we are starting quiz number 2 for parents and piecewise functions. Graph the following functions including at least 3 significant points and clearly show the behavior. So this is a cubic function again, and let's take the some x and y values. 5 minus 4, let's take 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, cube is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Let's take 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, cube is minus 1, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, cube is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 and minus 2, 3 and minus 4, 6 and 5. Now it is modulus function 6 and 1. So it would be 2x minus 3 plus 1. So it's going to be 3 and 1 and 2 up and 1 down. Now this is h of x, the last function. You can see the questions are very similar. अगर आप लोग एक क्विज अच्छे से कर लोगे so you will be able to do the others as well. So इसमें x is less than 4, the first one. So for taking x is less than 4, let's take 4 first. 4 to the 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. Let's take 0 would be minus 3, and 4, 5, which won't be included, 0 would be minus 3. The other point is minus 1 at x is equal to 4. And the last one is a modulus function minus 3x minus 3, 7. So it's going to be 3, 7. But it's x greater than 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, minus 3 plus 4. 4, 4, 5, 1. Write the function with the following graphs. See, you can see the similar questions. Okay, write the function with the following graphs, and the function can be, this is 4 and minus 2. So the function is written as f of x is equal to it's 1 2 f1 down x minus 4 minus 2 cube root function, and it is the value is at minus 5 and 6. So f of x is equal to a x plus 5 plus 6. If we take this value, this is minus 1 and 0, minus 1 plus 5 plus 6, 4 2 2 3 is 6 minus 3 is equal to a. Now what is the domain of the graph? Very easy to calculate the domain, and that is from minus 10 to minus 4, and then starting from minus 4, which is not included, and going to 9. Range is minus 6 to 9. Absolute maximum at 9 9. F of minus 3. Minus 3 is x. Minus 6. The value is minus 6. But because it's going to be f of minus 1. So x minus 1 hoga. So value would be 1 2 minus 2. X minus 2 hoga. The value would be minus 5. Where is f of x increasing? So my mark with it increasing is from here to here. This is decreasing, and from here it is increasing. So it is increasing from minus 10 to minus 7, then minus 3 to increasing 9. Write the equation for f of x, and this is absolute value function. Again, there are three functions like the previous one. This is absolute value function. So this function is at 7 minus 7 and 4. So it can be written as f of x is equal to a x plus 7 plus 4, and this is minus 10 and 3. Minus 1 by 3 is equal to a. The next is quadratic. Three and minus 6. The last one is the cubic function. Evaluate the function g of x for the given values of x. Okay, g of 7. So it's greater than 7, less than 7, it means does not exist. G of 3, less than 7. It would fall in less than 7. So 3 minus 5 whole cube minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole cube minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. Solve following for x would be x plus 5 is equal to minus 7 by 3, which does not exist or have no solution. Minus 5 by 2, 4x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 11. Minus 5 by 2, 4x minus 1 is equal to minus 10. 4x minus 1 is equal to minus 10. Multiply by 2 by minus 5 and the 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Question number 6 is given the graph y is equal to f of x sketch below. So again we have a similar question given the graph y is equal to f of x and sketch the graph of y is equal to modulus f of x on the grid provided. So what we're going to do is we're going to just write all the points over here and it's going to be very easy. We're just going to do it minus 9 0 and this would be 6 7 minus 7 and 4 minus 5 and 0 minus 4 and minus 3 no sorry 2 3 minus 3 and minus 4 plus 2 and minus 4 and this will come as it is over here. Okay, given the f of x, find the equation for f inverse x. X less than equal to 3 है. So less than 3 है तो side पे जाएगा तो we will take minus sign. So y is equal to 1 by 2 minus x minus 3 plus 6. Minus x minus 3 means minus y plus 3 or minus will come outside. Consider the function g of x and f of x. List the transformations in the correct order. So first of all, vertical compression by 1 by 3 and move right by 2 and up by 3. Mr. Zubair Mekan is taking her advisory group to light out laser tag and Eagle Day. It cost only 20 rent equipment and 5 extra for each 30 minutes. 20 for the rent and 5 extra. So it's going to be 25 for 30 minutes. Then 90 that we have to go. So 30 from 30 to 60 minutes and 35 from 60 to 90 minutes. Use the inverse y is equal to minus 3x plus 3 plus 1 and a piece of a cubic function to create a piecewise function that is satisfied if x is increasing continuous and the domain and range are the real numbers. So you are done with it. Thank you so much. Take care. Must subscribe the channel and like it. Forward it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. So the last quiz about the parents in the piecewise function. Write the function for the following. Write the function for the following graph. So this seems to be a cube root graph. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 1. If I'm getting clear, we can take this point. This is 6, 5. 3, 4, and it's 1, 2, and 1. State the domain, range, So just look at this question that how I have written these points. आप लोगों ने use the graph. ये graph देखना है. The first graph is the square, quadratic one. Then this is absolute value. This is square root and this is straight line. So just look and see कि मैंने किस तरह के इसके answers लिखे हैं. Just I'm giving you 2 minutes. आप लोग इसको देख लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. ग्राफ द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन इंक्लूड एटलीस्ट 3 सिग्निफिकेंट पॉइंट्स एंड क्लियरली शो द एंड बिहेवियर. तो ये भी आप लोगों ने खुद करना है. सो द सेंटर पॉइंट इज 3 2 -2. So 3 -2, this is the center point and we're going to get the point over here and we're going to get the point at 6 7. So this would be a cubic function. So आप लोग इसके x y लेके इस तरह से सारे coordinates लेके you will do it. Okay, so this is -3 minus x minus 5 plus 2. So this is 5 into and अच्छा. now there are three functions. 2x plus 4 जो है वो -6 से 2 की डोमेन में है. सो देख लेते हैं. इट्स -6 पे इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी. -6 ये फर्स्ट फंक्शन होगा. सेकेंड इज द स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन और ये -2 से 2 क्लोज इंटरवल में 2 डालेंगे. 2 + 2 4 2 3. Last one is absolute value function and it is 2 6 6 includes 6 minus 4 2 2 minus 2 0. सो ये भी आप लोग एक्स और वाई की वैल्यूज़ निकाल के चेक करें डेट आप लोगों के ग्राफ्स ऐसे ही बन रहे हैं जैसे मैंने बनाए हैं. Because I have make a lot of graphs in detail, so I have just done it. Check them out and let me know. So if you're done with it, let's move on. Solve the following equations for x. Evaluate the function g of x for the given values of x. g of -3 होगा तो x को हम इसमें पुट कर देंगे. आप लोग पुट करो, वैल्यू पुट करो. जी ऑफ -3 को किस में पुट करेंगे? 2 क्यूब रूट वाले में. इसमें पुट जी ऑफ -3 और इस वाले में यू विल पुट जी ऑफ 5. पुट करें. आई एम गिविंग यू 2 minutes एंड वी विल चेक कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट है कि नहीं. Okay, so if you're done with it, let me write the answers. G of -3 would be equal to -1 and g of 5 would be equal to 10. And again, I'm not going to do this. This is just, this point is going to come over here, going to go like this, and then going to go like this. This will go like this, and this wall will go, this is -2 plus 2, like this. Okay, find the inverse for this function. X is less than equal to 4 means you're going to take the left one because it's going to be left one, so you will take the minus sign. I'm giving you 2 minutes to find the inverse. Be fast. Hopefully you have done find the inverse, so let me find it for you and you can check it if you are correct or not. So it's y is equal to minus 5 by 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 2. Y is equal to, let's switch x and y, plus 5 by 2 y minus 4 plus 2 x minus 2 2 by 5 plus 4, which is equal to, if inverse x from minus infinity. List the transformations in the correct order that would map the graph of f of x onto the graph of g of x. So horizontal dilation is by 1 by 2, horizontal shift left by 6, vertical shift down by 4.5. The function f of x is given below. Use the axis provided to sketch the graph of f of x. Be sure to include all the roots of the y-intercept. So to find the roots of the y-intercept, what we're going to do is put x is equal to 0. We can write it in the factorization form. And the roots would be 4, minus 1 and minus 5. So it would be 4, minus 1, minus 5. What will be the root for the, we'll put y is equal to 0, we will get 1 by 2, 4, 5, 10. थैंक यू सो मच, होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा बहुत ज़्यादा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिएगा. मस्ट शेयर इट विद द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द कैलकुलस. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Write the function with the following graphs. So first one is a square root function. Use the graph of f of x to below. Answer the following questions. Domain. Find the equation for the following f of x. This one is a cube root function, quadratic, this one is absolute value. This one, last one, is absolute value. This is line. Should I write the answers directly this time? Vertex is going to be 3 minus 5. Center is going to be 3, 1. So this is a function with multiple graphs. Okay, solve the following equations for x. G of minus 4, x is greater than equal to minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. लेस देन माइनस 1 में होगा -1, -2, -3, -4. लेस देन -1 में आएगा ना -4. -1. So now we are going to just make the graph with the mod of x. So it's going to become like this. This will become like this. This will become like this. So here it's greater than or equal to 3, so we will take the positive one. Okay, we are done with it. Thank you so much. अच्छे से क्विज कीजिएगा, मस्ट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड वॉच द चैनल एंड शेयर द चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.